All right, guys, we are officially homeowners. Okay, so much has been going on. That is why we have been super absent from YouTube. We have been buying a house and it finally happened. We're so excited. We closed yesterday and today we're just here at the house again and we're just so excited. You know, this is a big deal for us. This is something that we worked really hard for. Everything that has to do with our budgeting, everything that had to do with us saving and paying off debt, everything led to this right here. As a young couple, buying a house in this market, in this economy, this has been a great achievement. It's just an amazing feeling to say that you own something. This is the property that you own, and it's an exciting feeling. I will be making a more in-depth YouTube video with tips on what me and Michael went through. We did not use a real estate agent or anything. And we honestly do not regret it. Everything that we learned throughout this process was super helpful, and that is obviously to where we're at right now. Anything and everything is possible if you put your mind to it, and that's what we decided. We weren't even looking for a house this year, but this opportunity came along and we couldn't, you know, let past it, and we took advantage of it. We were in a good financial state. And we were like, why not? Let's go ahead and do it. And we got pre-approved. We went through the whole process, and here we are. We are homeowners. This is the house where Michael and I will be, you know, be making memories, bringing our future children home, God willing. We will never devalue where we came from as far as our one-bedroom apartment. As you guys have seen in other videos, we did everything in this one space. My office space was in the living room. Michael's DJ stuff was in the dining room. Our closet was the size of a coat closet. It was really tight. We were on top of each other, but we were like, you know what? We can sacrifice ourselves for a couple of years until we feel comfortable enough that we can get something bigger. And the timing was perfect, you know? So. All right, guys, so I wanted to show you guys a quick empty house tour to show you guys just what it looks like before we start moving things in and before I start putting in my decorations and all that stuff. So stay tuned. Okay, so one of the main things that I love about this house is the door and the outside entryway where there's two columns. You'll see it in the clips, in the short clips right now. I love this part of the house. So once you come in through the house, you have this wall right here. Beautiful wall. I can do a lot of things with this wall. Then you come here, and here are the two additional rooms that the house has. The house has a total of 3 bedrooms and 1 studio/office space. So once you come in, to your left, we have this first room. This room is gonna be a guest room / music room for Michael. You know, Michael's a DJ and he loves his music. So this is the perfect room for him. We're gonna make it really cool. We love the fact that this room has these 2 windows, which gives awesome natural light. It's amazing, and it also comes with a good sized closet. Another thing that I love about this house are the designs of the doors. And over here in between the rooms is a small bathroom, full small bathroom. So yes. And then over here we have another room. So this room will be the baby room in the future. It will be intended to be a baby room. But before that happens, this will be the designated guest room. Also has a good sized closet. So, but yeah, this is a good sized room for a baby in the future, a guest room. So this closet will, I love this closet, first of all, because it comes with the nice shelves. This is gonna be the designated book area for now. Games in the future for our children. I'm gonna put all their toys in there and stuff like that. But love this little handy closet. And then here we have another closet for coats. So we're gonna use this as a coat closet, maybe put some storage stuff in there. We have an attic. That's up there, that's where the AC is, and other stuff I just forgot. And this is my office space. So I'm going crazy with ideas on what I'm gonna do with this. Mainly this office space is why Michael and I fell in love with this house. We felt like this gave us the additional space that we needed without taking over the main rooms. And since I do work from home, it works out great. So this is gonna be everything that I do for my work, for YouTube, for my budgeting. This is gonna be the room where we do all of it, and I can't wait to show you guys how I decorate this. We have so many ideas. It's gonna turn out so good. Here is the garage. 2-car garage, by the way. So this is the main hallway that connects the front of the house to the back of the house. Follow. Here we have the laundry room with these awesome Whirlpool machines. Super tech. Like, guys, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. It's amazing. I just love these machines. Plus they're white. I love that they're white and black and you can see through here. This is amazing, I love that. We have the living room. The living room space, super spacious. It's the perfect size for the furniture that we currently have at home, at the apartment. Here we plan to put the TV. We have a natural light coming in through these windows. This is where our future Christmas tree is gonna be at. And yeah, I plan to make this space really cozy, really warm, and super cute. It's the perfect spot for family and friends to come over, chill, while we chill at the kitchen table as well. Y'all, this is Nicky's new kitchen. Hello, welcome to my home. I don't know what to say. I love everything about this kitchen. The top cabinet space, the nice microwave. This stove is not gonna be our stove. They're actually changing this stove next week to match the Whirlpool brand, because that's how it's supposed to be. And a dishwasher, which I will start using. I made Michael this promise that I'm gonna start using a dishwasher now, because I never use a dishwasher, but I'm gonna learn and I'm gonna use it and I'm gonna take advantage of it. So yeah, so I love this. I love that while I'm washing dishes here, I could look straight up to the TV and just be here. It's very, I love that it's so centric. I love that I can be part of the living room, also part of the dining room. And another favorite part of ours is our pantry. As you can see, super spacious. Literally 2 people fit in here. A lot of room to do anything, to put in everything and everything organized. I already have so many ideas of how am I gonna organize this. I can't wait. I can't wait to do this. As for our refrigerator, this is not the refrigerator that we originally planned to have at the house, but right now the brand is everything's in back order right now. So the good thing is that we will be keeping this refrigerator because we did not get the one that we asked for by closing date. So we're gonna keep this one plus our new one. So this one we plan to put it in the garage in the future. Beer. Yes, Michael wants to put all of his beer in this one. It's super spacious, beer, all of the extra meats, water, bottle things. This will be perfect for the garage, and I'm sure we will enjoy it now and even later when we get our actual refrigerator. So yes, love it, love this kitchen, beautiful, spacious, which takes me directly to the dining room. Good space dining room. It brings a lot of natural light in these two windows, plus the window on the door to the backyard. And yeah, we plan to do a long table here. And we can't wait to host Christmas, New Year's here. Ooh, it's so exciting. Next, let's go to where the magic happens, y'all. This is where the magic happens. This is where everything goes down. Come in. This space is perfect. We have a queen size bed right now, so we plan to face it that way. And our two nightstands that we have currently will fit perfectly here. We also have a stand over here. And who knows, maybe in the future I'll have a little vanity here in this corner where I can do my makeup, have that natural light come in. So yeah. I love this, and this is the perfect size for Michael and I. I cannot wait to sleep in this room. And then here is our bathroom. In love with the double sinks. I was craving for a double sink, a sink for Michael and a sink for me, because ladies that live with your man, you know the struggle with these men and their hygiene issues. And here is the shower. Next we have the shower and the bathtub. Michael's not really big in this. I think Nini will enjoy this tub more than anyone, because here's where we will give her her bath. And of course, I like my baths here and there, but I'm sure Nini will enjoy this a lot. And next is our shower. See-through shower. That's gonna be something we're gonna have to get used to, but we're really excited about it. And here is our closet. Super spacious closet. I mean, compared to the closet that I have right now, the closet space that we have right now is equal to maybe this. And it is depressing. It is depressing. But this closet, there's enough room for everyone, Michael and me. Another favorite part of this closet is these shelves. We can stack your jeans in here, put purses. It's an amazing feature for this closet. All right guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick empty house tour. This is gonna be so much fun for me to decorate. I can't wait to have this place all done, fully furnished, and I can't wait to invite people over and just be with my friends and my family here. It's something that I'm so looking forward to. And thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.